How to log in into Life360 account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Life360 account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Life360 application in your mobile device. Now to sign in, head towards the bottom of this interface and tap on sign in option. Here, if you have created your account with your mobile number, you have to type in the code right here, and then you will receive a code for the verification in your mobile number. But if you have created your account using your email, then tap on sign in with email. Now enter your email address that you have used while creating an account or that is linked with your Life360 account. Then tap on continue. Now enter your correct password. Once you have entered the password linked with your account, then tap on continue. And if you have entered your correct login credential, you will be directly logged into your Life360 account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.